Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe, followed by the bell. So far less than 3 weeks, Samsung will schedule a Galaxy Unpacked event to announce the new lineup. It concerns 3 Galaxy S22 smartphones and 3 Galaxy Tab S8 tablets. At the beginning of this month, prices appeared for the first time for the expected Samsung S22, S22 Plus and S22 Ultra models. The price overview showed that the new models are slightly more expensive than last year. In the meantime, however, new information has appeared online, which shows that the new S-series smartphones will probably be cheaper than previously thought. The well-known German leaker Roland Quandt, who has shared the European prices via Twitter, he reports the prices for all 3 models and for all available memory variants. So the price is said to be Samsung Galaxy S22, 8GB of 128GB cost €850, and Samsung Galaxy S22, 8GB of 256GB is €900, while Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus 8GB of 128GB cost €1,050, and Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus 8GB of 256GB cost €1,100. Finally, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 8GB of 128GB cost €1,300. 12GB of 256GB is €1,400 and S22 Ultra 12GB of 512GB cost €1,500. The 1TB Galaxy S22 Ultra model is missing from the list. It seems that Samsung is indeed working on this memory variant. Presumably the 1TB model will only be officially announced at a later date. The price of the base model remains the same as last year. The memory options also remain the same, although the display is somewhat smaller. The Galaxy S21 has a 6.2 display, while the Galaxy S22 has a 6.1 screen. For the Samsung S22 Plus, the price also remains the same as last year. With this model, however, Samsung has decided to reduce the memory. Where its predecessor was equipped with 12GB of RAM, the new model will come standard with 8GB of RAM. No 12GB variant will be offered this time either. In addition, the screen size of the Plus model will also be smaller than before. The S21 Plus had a 6.7 display. The S22 Plus will be marketed with a 6.6 screen. It is noteworthy that Samsung charges a whopping €200 extra for the Plus model. The main differences from the base model can be found in the display size and battery capacity. Finally, the top model, the Ultra, will be €50 more expensive than its predecessor. That is not so strange when you consider that the S Pen will be included as standard this time. Unfortunately, Samsung has also decided to build in less memory with the Galaxy S22 Ultra than last year. The base variant will be equipped with 8GB of RAM, just like the other new S-series 2022 models. With the Ultra, however, you can opt for 12GB of RAM, by buying the 256GB or 512GB storage variant. Because these memory variants have both more working memory and more storage memory, Samsung has decided to charge a surcharge of €100 for these variants. With the S22 and S22 Plus, an extra €50 is charged for twice as much storage memory. That is it guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.